55 and the 46.
Staten Island.
We're not here.
The B44 and the 44. 47 on 344.
Yo, Flatbush got mad buses on there.
4249.
44 and the 44.
You can come in, but we stay.
How do you feel about being stuck in the bus?
What?
How do you feel about being stuck in the bus for
We are moving
hours?
under the traffic, but you can sit down if you want and for a walk. Your glasses fog a little bit.
I just heard that there's 7 buses stuck on Avenue.
You walk up this way? How you doing today? Hey, what's up, baby? How you doing? I know, traffic messed up today.
On them. 56 on the B44. Stuck at Empire Boulevard. Going with B43. 47 on the 401. Turn us over, please. That man on the 595 on the 46. Stuck on Nicholas Avenue along with 3 other buses. 592, 149 on the B41. Stuck on Flatbush and Aurelia Court.
Building 41 stuck on Avenue Ave and Flatbush. How back was that? 53 on the 41 stuck on Avenue Ave, Flatbush Avenue. That's the copy, truck's on the way.
B48, B41 and the 48. Stuck on the auxiliary Common Plaza. 44. Hold on ambulance. 61 on the 44. Hold on ambulance.
53 on the 46 stuck on Avenue Ave and Flatbush.
Backed up. Everything's backed up.
Good idea.
People are sitting in their cars.
You ready to take our picture? Some of us wanted on that.
So people are now trying to move the car, and people are getting out and doing stuff for themselves because we can't get out. We've been stuck on this bus for over 12 hours now. It's we've gotten on around 1 o'clock, 1 a.m. and it's 1:16 p.m. and this is the pileup right behind us. And cars just are still trying to move. People are still trying to move cars from the road so we can get to where we need to get. Continue to walk. You can see that there's There's no way to go unless all these cars move. And some of these cars are unoccupied. People are not in the cars anymore. They have spent over 9 hours in the cars and have just left walking home. Just hope that somebody does something and let us get home safe. They can move this car until later.
20 something.
Last night.
Yeah, 9:41.
We have managed to move the little
So
bit.
you got your extra. Man, let's
Get some cars out the way. No, we hope that we can this somewhere.
Yo, they got mad cars back in the back.
Oh, listen, let me tell you something. We know. We didn't pass you. Where did you come from?
Me?
Uh-huh.
Probably another operator. From where?
So there's-
What line you was?
We have
No, you ain't picking no one.
a little path. We can make this.
Well, I had enough cardio.
Alright. For the rest of the mini bag.